What if I told you that, in just 1 year, a 14-year-old boy from Indonesia went from struggling with English to coaching swimming in China while speaking fluent Mandarin? Meet Ahmad. He studied at a Muslim school in Indonesia for 5 years. He dreamed of learning Chinese and exploring new opportunities. But his mother, Siti, faced 3 big challenges. First, language barriers. Ahmad's English was limited. Second, money concerns. International education seemed too expensive. Third, finding the right fit. Which school could support Ahmad's unique journey? This is where Alifa Education Services stepped in. We didn't just find Ahmad a school, we crafted his perfect educational journey. Using our network of 840 schools across 48 Chinese cities, we found exactly what Ahmad needed. Strong English support programs, Chinese language classes for beginners, a clear path to top Chinese universities, and most importantly, a 25% tuition discount that made it affordable for Siti's family. Today, Ahmad isn't just surviving in China, he's thriving. He lives with a Muslim Chinese family who practice Mandarin with him every weekend. As a former swimming champion, he now coaches younger students, building confidence while sharing his skills. And his path to China's top universities? Completely clear. From a madrassa in Indonesia to international success in China, all while keeping his values and saving his family money. At Alifa Education Services, we don't just place students in schools, we create success stories. Your child could be next. With 840 schools, budget-friendly options, and personal attention for every family, we make international education possible. Contact Alifa Education Services today. Your child's journey to success starts with one conversation.